Bethany Frankel has gotten her Walmart working, and I figured I would do a reaction video to her TikTok. So if you haven't seen that TikTok yet, we're going to be going through it and watching it together today. I haven't seen it myself. I watched about 30 seconds and I was like, wait a minute, let me watch this with the beauty babes. I want to see it with you guys. I want to hear your reactions. And so also I had to let you beauties know who won our Wbirkin giveaway. So this is the last Wbirkin that I had a giveaway for. This is my second Wbirkin giveaway, and the winner of this Wbirkin is Alice Lynn Loves Being a Gammy. So congratulations, Alice Lynn. I hope you love your Wbirkin. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Love the color, red and gold. Okay, so perfect for the new year. Good luck and all that good stuff. So before we dive into Bethany's TikTok though, I have to show you beauties. I have here, believe it or not, another, well, you know, is this a Wbirkin? I have to tell you, I did order this from the Walmart website. They said it was a Wbirkin. Now, to me, it looks like a cross between a Kelly and a Wbirkin. This is some kind of hybrid, some kind of their own creation. So, because it just called me crazy. What do you think? It's just not giving Wbirkin to me. This is more Wbirkin, but this up here is giving Kelly. So, let me know what you think, but this is a very gorgeous bag. Now, this bag feels like a supple leather. I know a few of you had asked me, are these Wbirkins real leather? Now, some of them, everybody's, you know, getting their Wbirkin from a different Walmart seller. I'm sorry guys, I have a cold, so I'm still kind of out of it. Some of them do say that they're leather, but the ones that I just showed you, like the red one and the one that I gave away to in our first giveaway, they said it was leather too, and I don't believe that it is leather, so I don't want to tell you that it's leather. They said on the description on the website it's leather, but in my, you know, experience with leather bags, it doesn't feel leather to me. It feels, but my husband said it feels like leather to him. So I can't say, guys, but you know, it is what it is, okay? What else can we say? This one does feel like leather though. This one is it feels very luxurious, more luxurious the leather than the other two that we had to give away for. So if you want to enter to win this Walmart Wbirkin bag today, then, or this is a true Wbirkin because we don't know what this is, but it's very cute. It's going to be super functional, top handle, easy to get into and grab your stuff. So if you want to enter to win this bag, just be a subscriber. Let me know that you want to enter to take part, and that's pretty much it, and we'll pick the winner for this bag soon. So now let's jump into Bethany's TikTok. Now Bethany Frankel I feel like she's become the queen of TikTok at this point in time. I actually did meet Bethany Frankel. I didn't actually meet her, but I was at a party with her one time in New York City. So I do have a story about that. If you want me to share that in a future video, I definitely will. I realized, you know, maybe I should be sharing these stories. I never share them, but like I have to tell you about the time I met Diddy. So crazy. And they tried to, some weird crazy things happen. I gotta share that in a future video, but I don't know if I should do like a chit chat, right? You want me to share? Okay. But let's dive in, guys, because I really want to watch Bethany's video. Now, Bethany is going to be talking in this video today. I have her right here, so I'm going to watch it along with you. But she got her Wbirkin, but she's comparing them, I believe, to her real bags. So in this video that she's sharing, she's going to do a Walmart Birkin bag versus real type of thing. I believe that's what this is. So, and then she also did get her bag, but I could have sworn, maybe I'm watching an old video though, but I saw a video the other day where she said she ordered a Wbirkin and they canceled her order. So this just showed up on my feed on TikTok, so that it might not have been in order. So I actually should go through and find out, but let's watch this video and see, because in this video she says that she got her Wbirkin and she's comparing it to her real ones. So let's see here. Oh, Birkin University she has everything. And what about her Dior bags? You know how she's always talking about the Dior bags. What do you guys think about that? Let me know down below. Do you think it's cray cray, or do you think there's validity in her Dior bags theories? But now let's see. Here it is. I saved the video here, so let's go ahead and watch it. She's calling it Handbag University, she calls it on, and it's called Walmart Birkin Review.
Sit at the kids' table. Mommy's here to tell you what's really up.
So I got it on.
The Walmart Birkin has arrived. Sit at the kids' table. Mommy's here to tell you what's really up. Okay. The girls that get it in what is elite with Hermes. Toile, green contrast stitching, the mini, things like Berenia, the So Black, the Lord's Work means no bra, grays, but I know what I'm talking about here. Okay, this was $85. This is called Toile. It's this canvas material. I reviewed another bag in it. In the world of Hermes, it is elite. So are the...
I gotta tell you, beauties, I don't know if you saw a few months back, I posted, I actually got this bag on Amazon. It is so beautiful. I don't know if it's the same as hers, but I got this bag that looks
So Black
like on Amazon, except it has gold leather and it has that toile fabric on the bottom. It is so beautiful, so luxurious, and I do believe it's real leather because the leather is just feels incredible. I'll have it linked down below because I think it's still on Amazon. I purchased it a few months back. It came very fast, but let's go ahead and get back into Bethany's video.
But let's talk about the quality in a Walmart Birkin, which is not made by Walmart. It's a third party. They're probably making them from a bunch of different places. Don't get caught up in that, okay? So we could talk about that another day. All right, now, this is an Hermes bag. This is a knockoff without a logo. Okay, so these straps, these handles are much taller, much bigger. That's a telltale sign. Number two, stitching is always critical. What's interesting is this does have the diagonal stitching, which is what Hermes does do, but there's a lot of disparity in the stitching. So you can see like there's a long stitch, a small stitch, etc. Now, because these are handmade, it's not gonna always be perfect. There's disparity here too, but this is a little sloppy. In addition, there's some wrinkling. Like you can see some like wrinkling in the leather, and you can see it in here too. It comes with felt on it. This one's not as soft as the one that comes with Hermes. And inside, it actually doesn't look all that different. This is the inside of an authentic Hermes bag, okay? This is the inside of a Wbirkin, okay? The very different thing is the lock and key. The key is like one lone key. I don't.
It looks very much the same, right? Wow.
I don't even know where it is. It's separate. It doesn't look anything like the real key. I've already probably lost the key. Okay, it doesn't look anything like the two keys that are already attached. Okay, and this one has a strap. So the one. Okay. And
How gorgeous is Bethany's bag collection? It's like, it's just, oh my gosh. Her real bag. Well, the Wbirkin actually looks quite cute next to her real bags, but the real bags are, oh my goodness. You could see the leather is so, oh my, it looks so buttery and beautiful.
One thing Hermes should have done is added a strap, and only on this size. The other Walmart ones are doing it on the bigger sizes, and those aren't bags that really need the strap. It's really this one size that can hold it, okay? The feet, which these actually look pretty similar. That's shocking. Both come with...
That looks so good on her, right? That's amazing how good those bags, well, because it really is almost, it's a very similar dupe. So it looks beautiful on her. What do you guys think?
The rubber, but an Hermes foot never turns. This foot moves. And in fact, some of the fakies, the feet will actually come off. Another thing that was interesting is the Wbirkin has the plastic that comes on the hardware. So it looks like brushed gold, and then you pull it off. I mean, that's a detail. So here's the thing. This is $85. This is like $12,000. This is like flying private. This is like flying Spirit in the luggage compartment. So my feeling overall is this. I am going to show you so many unique, amazing bags that we don't need to have like the cheap version of what is craftsmanship, what is a collectible piece. Now, it's up to you to do whatever you want, but I just think the whole status symbol, needing to look like everybody else and clamoring to copy this one bag isn't what we need to be doing. We're gonna find other amazing bags that we feel proud of, but you know, they did a thing. Oh, here's the lock, which the color of the lock is always gonna be different. Like the real, there's just a different sheen, and it'll look different on the bottom. This is more like fake shiny. Does that make any sense? Okay. And then the key is just somewhere in the pocket. God only knows. Okay, the key is very different. Like, this is weird and this is cheap shit. Like, this is just, don't even bother, okay? Don't even bother. So your body, your choice. Just wanted to show you. Bye.
Wow, guys, I have to say though, as gorgeous as Bethany's collection is, but I think that bag looked beautiful on her. The green one that she had purchased, her Birkin, her workin, I thought it looked gorgeous on her. What do you guys think? I could see her, if I saw her in one of these paparazzi pictures wearing that, like a lot of times they show her outfits and I love her outfits. So a lot of times I'm inspired and I love seeing her paparazzi pictures. If I saw her with that bag, I'd be like, and I would be like, oh my God, I want that bag. And I wouldn't probably think it was a Birkin. I would think it was a Birkin. And I would be thinking, oh my God, I wish I could get that back. So, because it looks so good on her. Of course, you know, I think sometimes things photograph. She probably feels the quality in real life. And so the quality, the leather is not going to feel the same as her Birkins. But in the picture, you know, even from far away or just from somebody looking at it, it looks beautiful to me. So, but I can imagine that when she feels it, she probably feels the craftsmanship, as she mentioned, of the Birkins is going to feel, they look, actually, when you put them together, yes, they look incredibly gorgeous, her Birkins and things like that. But still, her Birkin looked very good on her. I think it looked really good, especially she said it was $80. Oh my goodness, you know? But let me know what you think down below. And also, I could have sworn there was more going on with the Birkin. You know, there is more, but we'll come back. I'll come back another day. I saw something else. I forgot what. But anyway, I have to come back because I'm really just feeling not that well today, guys. But definitely let me know if you want to enter to win this. I think it's a hybrid bag. What would you call it? Let me grab it. It's. I don't feel like this looks like a Birkin. I feel like this is a Kelly Birkin mashup, but it's probably the only one in the world. So, girl, you're gonna be the only one. That's what, very unique. So I would love to keep it. I'm just cleaning out my closet. I'm going to be having a huge fashion giveaway because I'm giving away tons. I didn't realize that you could give away fashion. I've always given away makeup. And then someone was saying, no, you could give away fashion. People love it. Because I have like so many pairs of Zara jeans. Did I say that right? Zara jeans that I want to give away because usually I give my stuff to Goodwill, but I said, why not give it to you beauties who really, really want it? I don't know if at Goodwill, you know, I don't know. I know you guys really, I know I love fashion. I love getting other people's fashion because it's like, you know how what's old to you is new to someone else. Like I buy even Plato's Closet, I love it, but even the vintage shops, thrift shops, I love it. You know how it is. Once you sometimes use something a lot, you want something new. So I'm going to be doing a huge clean out of jeans soon too. So if you love jeans, make sure and look out for my giveaway, denim giveaway soon. But anyway, beauties, let me know what you think of this giveaway. Let me know what you think of Bethany's Birkin or workin. And what are you feeling about the scandal still? Oh, did I tell you guys? I did say in a previous video, but those Best PR, the one that started the whole drama, Best PR workins are on the TikTok shop. So you can get them on TikTok easily. But that's pretty much it. I think they raised the price though. They were $60 and now everybody's saying since they see how popular they are and how it's gone viral, they've raised the price to over $100 now. So a lot of people are mad about that. I think that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Let me know what you think of all the drama down below and Bethany's bag and the giveaway. Let me know what your thoughts are and I love you guys so much and I'll see you soon. Bye.